Good morning. Welcome to video lectures organized by SSMRB College, an ISR initiative. SSMRB College, one of the premier institutes run by the prestigious RV group of institutions, have come up with a unique initiative to engage the students at the time of these unforeseen medical emergency caused by corona outbreak. As a socially responsible institution, we would like to connect academically with the students to make good the losses caused. In this connection, I, Dr. Ambika, working for the Department of Computer Applications, has posted a video on the subject Operation Research and the topic Solving Pure and Mixed Strategy Problems. Please watch the video till the end and like, share with your peer groups and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Game theory is a set of tools and techniques for decisions under uncertainty involving two or more intelligent opponents in which each opponent aspires to optimize his own decision at an expense of other opponents. In this methodology, the player can opt to take up one strategy or mixed strategy. There are two types of games. The first one would be zero-sum games where the winner receives the entire amount of payoff which is contributed by the loser. That is, the payoff is the profit the winner receives. The second one would be non-zero sum games where the gains of one player differs from the losses of the other. Pure strategy is where the player opts to take up only one kind of strategy to play against his opponents. The characteristics of this kind of a strategy would be there must be two players, each with a finite set of strategies. Zero sum implies that the losses of one player is the exact gain of the another. Pure strategy refers to a prescribed solution in which one alternative is repeatedly recommended to each player. Bargaining is not allowed. There could be no agreement that could be mutually advantageous. The given problem is to find the optimum strategy of the players by utilizing the table below. We start with labeling the row as A1, A2, A3 and the column as B1, B2 and B3. We find the row minimum, that is the lowest element of each row. The lowest element of A1 is 20, A2 is 45 and A3 is 40. Next we find the maximum value of each column. The maximum value of B1 is 58, B2 is 45 and B3 is 55. The next step would be to find the maximum value of the row minimum, or also known as maxi-mini. In this problem it is 45. Minimum value of the column maximum or mini-max is found, which is 45 in the above problem. The intersection of maxi-min and mini-max is known as value of the game. In the above problem, it is the intersection of A2 and B2. A mixed strategy is a methodology where the player uses different kinds of strategies to defeat his opponent. Now, considering the problem, consider the following: a payoff matrix with respect to the player A and solve it optimally by utilizing the table given below. We start with labeling the row and the column. Here we have labeled the row as A1 and A2 and the column as B1 and B2. We find the row minimum and the column maximum of each column. In mixed strategy, we do not arrive at the saddle point, that is, mini-max is not equal to maxi-min. To find the optimal strategy, we find the oddments or row wise and column wise. We find the absolute difference between the row and the column elements and insert the difference in adjacent cell. That is, the difference between A21 and A22 is inserted in A14 cell. A11 and A12 is inserted in A24 cell. A12 and A22 a difference is inserted in A41 cell, and A11 and A21 a difference is stored in A42 cell. The probability of rows and columns are found using the formula probability is equal to oddments divided by addition of respective oddments. That is, A15 is found out by utilizing 6 divided by 2 plus 6, which is equal to 3 by 4. A25 is equal to 2 divided by 2 plus 6, which is equal to 1 by 4. A14 is equal to 4 divided by 4 plus 4, which is equal to 1 by 2, and A42 is equal to 4 divided by 4 plus 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. The value of the game is found using the formula value is equal to addition of columns or the row elements into oddments divided by addition of respective oddments. For instance, I have considered here as V is equal to A11 into A14 plus A22 into A24 divided by A14 plus A24. Any cell can be considered to calculate the value. All the derived values with respect to any cell results in the same value. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.